Welcome to RTD LLC, home of the Harley twin cam engine adapter for Volkswagen Type 1 transaxle. I'm Gary, associate of RTDadapters. This is an introduction to the RTD company entitled Part 1. At RTD, we build custom creations. Motorcycles, gassers, steamboat, popcorn wagon, and now a Harley-Davidson powered Volkswagen Beetle. Join us as we introduce our RTD Harley twin cam to Volkswagen Type 1 adapter. The RTD twin cam adapters will mate. RTD twin cam adapters will mate 1998 to 2017 Harley twin cam motorcycle engines onto Volkswagen Type 1 transaxles made from 1938 to 2003. An RTD adapter is perfect for aging Beetles, vans, dune buggies, and Volkswagen trikes that use the Type 1 transaxle. An RTD adapter bolts to your OEM transaxle and uses OEM flywheel and clutch assembly along with your Harley engine. As with all customizations, some assembly is required. The results are outstanding. Please watch for parts 2 and 3 where we show you how to install your RTD adapter onto a Volkswagen transaxle and how to install your Harley engine onto the RTD engine adapter. Thank you for your interest in RTD adapters. Okay.